Since the announcement of lifting the lockdown in phases by Ministry of Home Affairs and Maharashtra's Mission Begin Again, our stock markets have been responding positively. We watched the market rise up by over 12% in last 10 days. This movement may inspire your investment ideas in equities. We too agree that the current levels are very attractive for long-term investment, but before we get into the options of how you can invest, we want you to cover these bases. We cannot ignore the uncertainty that looms over us for the near future. Hence we must first secure our emergency funds to cover our fixed expenses and EMI for next 6 months, in case of independent individuals, and 9 months for a sole breadwinner with dependents. Now that you have put your emergency fund in place, there is one more step to secure your today before investing for a brighter future. You must have an adequate health insurance plan for your entire family. Now that we have covered our bases and secured ourselves from short-term uncertainties, let us get to how we will invest into the markets. Divide your surplus into 2 parts. First part will systematically be invested over next 6 months to take advantage of volatility. Part 2 is to be invested when we get the overwhelming good news about a COVID vaccine. Now that we have covered how to invest, let us look at where to invest to get equity exposure. We have come up with 3 portfolios with different risk levels. 1. Aggressive portfolio. It's mainly focused on mid-cap and a small portion in large cap. This is suitable for a person with well-allocated portfolio who can manage risk comfortably. 2. Diversified portfolio. It consists of large and multi-cap funds. We recommend this to older investors and first-time investors as the fluctuations are less compared to aggressive option. 3. Mars. This is our special personalized portfolio where every quarter a rebalancing is done between equity and debt to get same results as aggressive portfolio but with much lesser risk. For coming so long ahead, here is a bonus investment portfolio for you. ESG funds. The aim here is not only to focus on gains but to invest in companies that are determined to environmental and social responsibility. This type of investing is come into limelight to save Earth after the numerous natural calamities. Please note, all mentioned portfolio options are equity-oriented, hence carry market risks. Please view the previous video for secured investment options. Presented by VNG Capital.